Hello everybody, I'm Scotty. Welcome back to Scotty's Clock World. This is a short promo for my new intermediate level series of clock repairs for total beginners. The new series will commence on Wednesday, April the 12th and run on alternate Wednesdays. This is because this series is more complex than the first series and takes much longer to prepare, shoot and to edit. These are some of the topics that I will be discussing and demonstrating. There are a few inexpensive tools that you will need to purchase to be able to carry out some of these repairs. I'll add a list of suppliers where you can purchase these items. You will need a pin vise or two if you haven't purchased any yet. They are used to securely hold small objects, for example arbors on wheels. Another necessity is a couple of quality fine flat files for polishing escapement pallets and repairing damaged clock screws. Also a round rat tail file and a square section rat tail file. These files can be used for many small jobs in clock repairing and come in very handy. A small clamp-on bench vise with jaws about 40mm wide will be very handy on your bench. It fits on easily and is immediately accessible and takes up very little room on your bench. It is used in a host of clock repair situations. The one in the picture has seen a fair bit of use, but it still fulfills its original purpose. You will learn how to repair a damaged screw with your fine files, and then once we've repaired the damage, we will then reblue the screw using a methylated spirit burner. In this series, we will look at rebushing clock plates just using broaches without the use of reamers to cut the hole to the correct size. And then with a coarse file, run over the end of the taper pin while turning the pin vise in your fingers. We are flattening the end of the tapered pin for a start. Run the file across the end of the tapered pin. Turning the pin vise as you go. We will look at finding the correct screwdriver to fit the screw that we want to remove, because one size does not fit all. We will look at the wire springs in clock movements, what gauge wire to use and how to wind them correctly. This skinny little bit of wire here, number 24 wire, is actually a spring. And it is this one in particular. Once we get it, ties off over that post there, over the pillar. Doesn't have to be tight, it's just got to be on there to have sufficient strength to return the count lever every time. If I took that spring off, the count lever would stay up there. The new series will run on Wednesdays every alternate week, starting from Wednesday, April the 12th. I hope you join me for the full series, as we have quite a few topics that we will be discussing. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will respond. I will see you all next Wednesday week.